The first thing that you should do to cure the erectile dysfunction is to have yourself checked by a specialist on male reproductive health to make sure that you are not suffering from any other medical problems such as diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and any other extreme physiological issues. When the doctor has accurately and categorically says that you are indeed suffering from erectile dysfunction, that's the only time that you will undergo to an erectile dysfunction treatment depending on your need and budget. 7 out of 10 men who experience any kind of physical disorders are more prone to the onset of erectile dysfunction. There are several erectile dysfunction treatments that a patient can choose from. One can go for the more popular way of treating erectile dysfunction, which is the usual intake of medicine such as Viagra orally. They are the kinds of drugs that are prescribed by most doctors more frequently. Since this can cause aversive side effects to some of the patients such as hot flushes, increased breathing, palpitation, and anxiety just to name a few, other form of erectile dysfunction treatment is also recommended. Oral medicines like Viagra helps in erectile dysfunction treatment by stopping the nitric oxide from breaking, which eventually causes for the penile muscles to relax, allowing sufficient amount of blood to flow without interruption to create erection. Any drugs that have PDE5 inhibitors such as tadalafil can increase your sex drive for up to more than 36 hours, because it has the capacity to make lots of blood supply to flow in the veins of the penis. Another erectile dysfunction treatment is through the use of special hormone called alprostadil, which also help the muscles in the penis to relax, therefore allowing for blood to flow, creating erection. This hormone will be injected directly into the penis through the use of a very fine needle. Hormone injection will be of great help, especially to those who are actually suffering from low level of testosterone. Other options in erectile dysfunction treatment include a non-invasive approach, which will not require the patient to take any kind of drugs orally. Vacuum devices are just another form of erectile dysfunction treatment, as one of them that is gaining a lot of recognition these days for its effectiveness. This is a plastic pump where the penis should be inserted. In the process, the air from inside of the pump will then be pumped out, which results for the penis to swell and stand in erection long enough to have a sexual activity. The vacuum device has 3 main components: the plastic cylinder, wherein the penis will be inserted, a pump that sucks the air out, and the ring band, which is used to place at the end of shaft to sustain the erection once the cylinder has already been removed. An implant or penile prosthesis is also a non-drug form of erectile dysfunction treatment. In this case, a small prosthesis that can be inflated is implanted directly into the penis surgically. The inserted inflatable prosthesis, once the liquid solution has been pumped in there, the penis will start to swell and will eventually build up an erection. One good thing about inflatable penile prosthesis is that the size of the penis can be adjusted according to the patient's desires. Are you tired of erectile dysfunction ruining your sex life? There is a simple, risk-free solution to naturally fix your erectile dysfunction once and for all. Click on the link below for more information.